Welcome! Today in front of me, SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should go just to the one from the screens, that doesn't matter which one you will select, and hold for a while the screen. And here you'll see on the left down corner the transitions icon, tap there. Now we got the regular, the flat one. Here you can select one from these available animations. For example, I'll go with the last one, and just apply to set new animation. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation or transition. And if you wanna just go back and switch to another one, by the same way, go into the transitions, here tap to apply, and now as can you see, we got here the standard home screen animation. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.